Okay, in the last lesson, we successfully installed Composer and Laravel and booted up our first screen. Now let's take things a step further and start talking about this idea of MVC. What exactly does that refer to? Basically, good idea, which means you don't want your controller to get too bloated, so to speak. And we'll cover that more in future lessons. 10-second definition is, it allows us to think of our URIs in terms of nouns and collections. So if you come from the previous lesson, we finished up by making note of the fact that even if we don't insert a value as the username and password, if I click Create User, it will in fact insert an empty value into the database, as we can see right here.
What began as a solution turned into a career. It turned into friendships. It allows us to dream about tomorrow and gives us the support that we need to press on. Laravel for work, Laravel for play, Laravel for prototyping, Laravel for production, Laravel for camaraderie, Laravel for strategizing, Laravel for community. Laravel forever. Let's start building tomorrow, today.